really pretty. Is that a river right there?
What?
Is that a river? Oh yeah, I can tell it's moving.
Can we go down there? Branch of
Probably doesn't look safe. There looks like a train track and stuff. But there's a hiking trail on the other side of this building.
That's like over there is Illinois, right? No.
I don't think so.
Yeah, the river crosses the border of Illinois.
If Illinois is over there or over there, then that would be a branch of Mississippi. I wish we could go up there, the hill, but there's a freaking river over there.
Doesn't Mississippi have like killer dolphins in it?
No, but there's no such thing as killer dolphins. Killer whales. And those are like
No, dolphins.
polars. Arctic. Cool. What if someone? Okay, so. Oh my God, Taylor, snake! No, seriously, it's a snake. It's a snake. Snake. You're a hose. You're a hose. I'm not a hose. Hey guys, let's look at this.
This is a hiking trail right here.
One time I went on a hiking trail
It's like,
I'm wearing a jacket, I'll be fine.
Did you hear that whoosh? That was an evil spirit coming to get Caitlin.
No, that was just like someone farting in the water. And you're like, whoa. We're off to see the water. No, it wouldn't be bubbles. It'd be like a giant one. It'd be like a big bubble. And then it would pop and it would go. Gotta let it out.
No, you have to go like this. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, push.
Wait, no. What if someone really needs to fart, like Tiger needed to fart, and he's like, 1, 2, 3,
It was just like the turkey vulture over there, whatever that was. The one with the white feathers or whatever.
pigeon?
No, the one that pooped.
The pigeon.
No, the one that pooped. The other one, the white giant bird.
The pigeon?
No!
The pelican? The pigeon? I don't know.
It had the goiter thing, remember?
The goiter? What?
Anyways, when we were over there, I was remember the one
Play
with the white
soccer, Caitlin, and break my toe again.
You're on the inside of your foot.
Oh, whatever. I didn't know how to play soccer.
Oh my god.
Ow! We're off to see the winner. The wonderful Wizard of Oz. Whoa. What if they did that in the movie? They're like, we're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz, and then they trip on a roof and they fall.
I'm gonna knock her out.
Like this. We're off to see the wizard.
Yeah,
And I was like, you're gonna knock her out? Really, I just picked up a rock and I was like, you gonna knock her out? And I was like, no.
I'm like, I was thinking about that.
Recording us. She's recording us. Look at her. Oh.
I'm just taking pictures of stuff. Videos, but mostly pictures.
Okay, don't fall.
I think if we just keep following this, it's going to end up back up there. Oh, look at the pretty trees.